Hey again, guys. Thanks so much again for joining in. Today, I'm going to be doing part 2 of my bedroom makeover series. So these are the before pictures of the actual bedroom wall that I'm planning to include as part of this makeover. And as you've seen previously in part 1 of this makeover, that's the video. Head on over to your Pinterest board and just type in wall molding or paneling, and this is what you come up with. So I went to a couple of stores that do sell trim, and I ended up buying the trim that is on sale at Timber City, or now known as Tim Build. I bought the trim that you see on your screen right now. So this one was 16 Rand something a meter, and I bought 3 meters of it, so it all came up to like 110 Rand or something. I can't quite recall. I'll see if I can get the receipt. I'll be posting any updates from this video on my Instagram channel for all those who do follow. If you're not already following, please do give me a follow. I will leave my Instagram handle below, but as you should all know, it's now changed to Dollface at Home. I hope that you do join me over there, as I do post a lot of dope content on the regular. So guys, as you can see, this wasn't too hectic, and I unfortunately didn't manage to get it cut at the 45-degree angle for the corners, but it does actually look good even though it's not corner fit. I initially just held it down with some masking tape and then removed that and bolted it down to the wall using these securing pins that I bought from, I think it was Galma, the last time I was doing wall paneling in my lounge. Excuse that, guys, something just fell. So as soon as I had secured them down, I was then able to take off the tape. I applied some of the same tape onto the edges as I was about to paint. Get ready with me, guys. This was my paint project as part of this makeover. So this makeover included some fixture painting as well as this wall feature and painting the actual wall. So the inspo to the color that I chose and got made at chamberlains is my drawer that I made. It's a sideboard actually that I made initially earlier, not earlier this year exactly, but like at the end of the year last year. So it's almost this color, and it's like almost an exact match to my bedroom door. So I eventually got it mixed to as close a match as I possibly could, and I got painting. So stay tuned for the rest of the makeover, guys. It was filled with its own challenges, but stuff that I could easily overcome by either A, purchasing more paint, and B, thinning out the paint that I initially purchased that I thought was going to be enough. So I got just under a liter, and I assumed it was going to fit the wall as we did the quotation from measurements, but I didn't really account for how viscous the paint was and the type of roller brush that I already had bought. So it's a super soaking brush, so I would recommend you try find something else or a thinner paint. So this was a water-based paint, so I was actually able to thin it out with water as I was pouring it into the tray. So yeah, eventually things went well, and I overcame some height challenges there as well. So it did go well. I'm very happy with the outcomes, and I hope you guys like it too. So some pictures of this will be posted on my Instagram channel, so I do insist that you go over there to see some gems, to see some stuff that I find for cheap and cheaper elsewhere. So yeah, do join me on that platform, guys. Let's go have fun. Here's the final look of the wall. Now stay tuned for the rest of the makeover. So the tape removal didn't go as planned. I was supposed to, as advised, remove it while the paint was still kind of tacky, but I didn't. And for the luck of me, I'm glad that this didn't cause me any trouble in the ways of streaking or blurred lines. So it wasn't half as bad. I'll try to see if I can put in like a close-up of where I had put in the paint guide and where I didn't, but it really did come out as I liked, guys. I really cannot express to you how heavy this headboard is and how much exercise I actually got when I was making it. And for some reason today it was looking and feeling extra heavy, but I did manage to get it up on my own. I was initially gonna call for help, but then I bossed it and I got through it. Here I was removing the hardware, which is already in the intended color, this rich pale gold. So I'm just going to be refreshing some of these, and I did get a new item for the bedroom makeover. So this is going to be the unofficial unboxing of that item, because I'm also going to need to spray the hardware off of that piece. So do stay tuned and see how that goes. So there is this thing that I've been meaning to try out. These handles, I assume, were originally meant to be this brassy gold, and this is that piece that I'm unofficially unboxing. So all the hardware that is around and near the bed will be turned into this rich spray paint, this rich pale gold rather, spray paint that I've got on your screen right now. So this is just the removal of that hardware and me painting up my door handles. So I did both sides as you open and close the door, so they would kind of match up when the door is open and when the door is closed. On the reel, I was a little bit heavy-handed with the spray paint on the door handles. Don't really like the effect that caused. The graininess of this is not the look I was going for. I will try redo that, but this is the rest of the items that I had spray painted. and this is as close to the final look as you're gonna see for part 2, guys. Do stay tuned for more. More is definitely coming. I've got an unboxing coming, and yes, again, I do say this, please head on over to my YouTube channel, my Instagram page, guys, as I'm dropping gems there all the time. So that is it from me, guys. Please don't forget to join me again on the next part of the series, the bedroom makeover. I'm thinking it's probably gonna be a clean up, and then maybe an unboxing and other style tips and items you can purchase for your bedroom makeover if you are planning on this journey. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you and bye.